verbs and vocabulary words, and I teach that through pictures and not translation, so it's more effective that way. But as you get older, it's more difficult to memorize things, and so we focus on living the language.
El pato, la abeja, el pájaro, el perro.
I use kinesthetic materials, which means that you're doing.
El pulmón, el corazón, intestino.
We work those modalities into the lessons, visual, oral, kinesthetic. Especially in the area that we live in California and Silicon Valley, there's a need to be able to speak Spanish. If you're a bank manager, you need to be able to open accounts with Spanish speakers. If you're a nurse, you may want to be able to ask a patient if they're comfortable. Attorneys want to be able to offer their clients rights, options, and maybe even just set up appointments, and don't want to have to call on an interpreter every time.